I think everybody in the state is hurting for additional school money. And I'm hoping that, it's not just Fairfax, it's everybody in the state putting pressure on the state to please step up and start funding education at the level you said you were going to. So I'm optimistic that that will happen, and I don't think that will happen overnight. I think that's going to take multiple years for the state to ratchet up the funds that they give to localities. When I presented the forecast to the board back in November, we had a gap. Probably the biggest one, the gap, is still with schools. So I had recommended that the board consider advertising 4 cents that would give them about $23 million worth of flexibility when they start deliberating on the budget. I'm optimistic about our local economy because of, and I'll start with the economic strategic plan. I think that the board adopting that and all the work that Rob and staff have done to try to promote economic development in the county is wonderful. We had a long LOBS presentation on all the public-private partnerships that we're working on now to bring folks into the county, so I'm optimistic about that. I think the fact that the Silver Line is going ahead full steam, and we're going to see that opening up, in 2019, 2020 is reason for optimism. All the rezonings that have come in terms of Reston and Tyson's, I'm extremely optimistic that we're going to be able to grow, our commercial base.